Hello everybody. Did you remember that day when we visit the showroom for the closet designer, and you can see it here. It's a closet designer. Yes, you can see it here. Today those people, we signed contract with them, and those people now they brought the closet. It's actually, they are professional. They are with the reasonable price. I recommend this place. Just watch what they are doing. Now we are in the final stage. Now the door and the closet with the lid in the top. It's very nice place. It's very nice closet, and they are professional. You can see the doors. They're making every adjustment. We are in the final. We're not finished yet, but we are in the final stage now. They are doing the doors. Those this closet, it's in gray. I will show you the one with the wood color. I recommend this place. They are professional, reasonable, with a reasonable price. If you compare it with the other shop, you will holding your head about the prices. This is I call it wood color with the three doors. This is brown glasses. You can put in the background. Then from the same color, you can put it in the background, but you have to pay more for each meters or square meters. Even the lid, I think the lid is around 400 riyal for this one. This one is 230 centimeter, 2 meter 30 centimeter by 2 meters 80 centimeters. It cost me around 4,700. It's a reasonable price. We call this one Indonesian wood. I recommend this place, really. I like them. If you compare it with the other store in Riyadh, it's amazing. It's a big difference between them. But they are good with a reasonable price, with the good quality material. If you just see this one, I did talk to the workers. He said he brought this one, the truck, they call it the truck. They brought this one from Germany. It's not China or a local product, this one. So very nice, from China. Now what they are doing, they're trying to adjust the doors. You see this one, you can see the space here. They're trying to space here. They're trying to make adjustment for the door now. They have to, on time, they will work with it. Don't worry. They will not leave the place until you are happy with them.